Welcome to the latest episode of Active Collab Recaps. This time around, we have two new features to show you. Brand new feature called Virtual Users and User History. Let's get started. Active Collab 8 Virtual Users. Virtual users are a new concept in Active Collab. You can set up an account for them, choose their role, add basic details, set their permissions, and invite them to projects. You can also set their rates and capacity. Virtual users function just like any other account, but they don't receive email notifications, and we do not charge you for them. This makes virtual users perfect for onboarding new colleagues and planning future capacity. Let's say you have a colleague joining in 2 weeks. You can assign tasks to virtual users, subscribe them to notes and discussions, basically prepare everything for their arrival. Virtual users are easy to spot thanks to their gray avatars and can be managed from the Invites page. This allows you to have everything prepared in Active Collab by the time they are ready to join. Just send them an invitation so they can hit the ground running. Active Collab 8 User History. User History allows owners to view all the changes made to a user account. To check it out, head to the People section, click on the 3 dots next to the user's name, and find History of Changes. A pop-up window will let you know whether the user changed their name, team, company, and when the changes were made. We're planning many new improvements. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you soon.